Ridin Dad is back, mother.
Ridin Dad, YouTube channel. It's the Ridin Dad, YouTube channel. It's the Ridin Dad, YouTube channel. It's the Ridin Dad. A thing that you found.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Ridin Dad YouTube channel, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. For those of you who don't know, this is a big day. For those of you who do know, I'm back in my own actual garage. This is great. This is the first video back in the garage. It's going to be really short. I'm going to post this, if you're seeing this, it's kind of like the welcome video on my channel, whatever, just before I kind of get in the swing of things. This is the second weekend we've officially been moved back into the house. Let's kind of get into stuff if you have no idea who I am, because I've been kind of MIA on YouTube for a while, which is changing, obviously. So for those of you who don't know, I've had a bunch of bikes, been on YouTube for a few years now. I've had a Dyna, I had a different Sportster. This currently is a Sportster. I've had a Softail, M8 Softail. Did a bunch of stuff to my Softail, tons of videos on that. There's playlists devoted to every bike I've had. I've had a Grom, Honda Grom. I've had a Suzuki DR, I think it was like a 400 or 250, whatever, I think it was maybe a 250 or something like that. Anyway, I've had a bunch of different bikes over the course of a few years. Did a lot of work. I've done like 99% of my own stuff to all of the bikes. My current bike is a 2013 Harley Davidson Sportster Superlow XL80 or XL883 Superlow that I have officially decided to turn into a club style. I was kind of on the fence. For those of you who know, the other bike I had, the M8 Softail, was a club style bike. This bike I was trying to make into something different, maybe like I started off doing apes and stuff like that, like mini apes. Then I went low, like almost like a cafe racer style kind of thing, and we're back to the same old of the club style, because it's just what I gravitate towards. It's just my favorite style of bike. So anyway, that's what we're doing with this bike again. I got some parts still that I got to do to it. I'll be doing an oil change soon, which I know most of you know how to do, but it'll still help a few people that are possibly new to the Harley game and stuff, especially the Sportster. It's a little different. It's weird. It's for those of you who know the Sportster, how to do the oil change, it's just weird. It's like, it feels like it's wrong just unplugging it instead of like doing like a bolt or whatever. But anyway, yeah, I have a bunch of bicycle stuff too. I've been into bicycle stuff, so you will see some e-bike content as well, a little bit here and there, whether it's like e-mountain bike content, e-road bike content, or my current kind of like daily bike is a Zeus UU 1100. So anyway, yeah, for those of you who don't know why this is a big day and I'm back, basically we had the big hurricane in Florida about 2-3 years ago, something around there now, and our house was improperly diagnosed in the beginning. And we found out we had a ton of black mold everywhere. It was in our AC handler, ductwork, drywall, I mean, you name it. We had leaks in the exterior of the house. We have a wood frame house, so we had leaks in the exterior of the house and stuff, and it was just an absolute disaster. Long story short, we were displaced out of the house for about 1.5 years. We didn't start the work. It's not that the work took 1.5 years. We were trying to hold on for the insurance company. That's a whole story in itself, but we wound up just starting it and, putting our money towards it 100%, and we are back in. It is good to be back. I can't tell you how much I missed this garage. I was, for those of you keeping up on the channel, I really do appreciate it and stuff. I was, trying to do some video stuff in my mom's house, which is where we were fortunate enough to be staying. She had some extra room, so she stayed there while our house was either being worked on or unlivable after the work. Yeah, I'm back. Man, it's awesome. The lighting is much better in here. I had to adjust my camera settings before I even started, and I'm not 100% sure if these are the final settings I'm going to put on it. I'm using my backup Tascam mic, which is what I kind of OG used to use, and then the new mic that I started to try out, this wireless, which in theory should be way better, but those of you who watched some of the videos with my awful audio that sounded like I was being, like abducted into space, it was just ridiculous. Anyway, yeah, hopefully this explains, who I am, what you're gonna see out of the channel and stuff. If you're new, and for those of you who are longtime subscribers and, my buddies, thank you guys for all the support. In the meantime, that I was, temporarily displaced, but we are officially back. It's been a long time. I have I have 2 new helmets to do reviews on for you guys. Those are coming pretty soon. Those are probably coming soon before this because I still got to move. Even though we're here, we've only been here for a week, and I'm still trying to take stuff. You know, I do little mini move-ins here and there and stuff. So I don't even have my big tool chest. I have some tools that I had to use to work on the house and stuff, but like this tools that I had for the bike and like my wrenches and sockets and stuff like that, all that's still in the tool chest at my mom's house currently still. And some of the extra parts that I ordered that I want to put on this bike, some of those are still there as well. But yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna clean up the garage. The garage is kind of a mess right now, which is why you don't have more of a wider view and stuff, but you do see the bike, do have the lift. Guys, it's just so good to be back. Thank you, each of you, for either following, subscribing. When I had the house stuff originally, a lot of you reached out. It was super awesome to have that support. The YouTube community is really awesome. Actually, I take that back. The YouTube community is okay. Some of you guys suck. The bike community is what's awesome. The motorcycle community is really awesome. And now that I've gotten into it too, the e-bike community, really awesome as well. Whole bunch of really good people. We look out for each other. That's the right thing to do. It's a good time. But thank you guys. So, until the next time, I will see you guys then. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that stuff. It really helps me, helps the channel. We're doing big things in I would say the year of 2024, but we're halfway over. So we're just doing big things on the channel. Thank you guys again. I keep saying it a million times. I know I'm babbling about that, but I really do appreciate every single one of you that reached out and continue to subscribe and everything like that. But again, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, what's wrong with you? Make sure you're subscribed, turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. We're gonna try really hard to get back into the weekly videos. Might not be every single week just because I still got a lot of crap going on right now with work and home and the house and everything like that. But we are gonna try to do at least 2 to 3 times a month. So thank you guys. Until the next time, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.